Hello dear fans. Why does the moon shine at night? In the past, the moon was for people not a space satellite of the Earth, but a heavenly goddess. She patronized everything that was nocturnal, romantic and poetic. In their poems and songs, people addressed the moon as a muse. But time passed, and it became clear to man that the moon is a cosmic object. He even managed to visit its surface. Since ancient times, the moon has been very mysterious for people. Why does it replace the sun, illuminate everything around, but not evenly every day, but changing during the month? The shadow appears after the moon has passed the full moon stage, and every day, the area of the night star is decreasing. In the end, you can see a very thin sickle, and then it disappears for several months. But not for long. The mysterious nature of moonlight has found its explanation. The moon shines at night, not as brightly as the sun during the day, but still making objects clearly visible. It is not a star and does not emit light itself, but it can reflect someone else's glow. If one side of the Earth is illuminated by bright sunlight, then the other is in shadow, but the moon reflects the light that hits it, thereby illuminating the Earth's surface. The moon revolves around the Earth, and that, in turn, revolves around the sun, so their relative position changes daily. When the entire half of the moon, illuminated by the sun, is visible from the Earth, the full moon sets in. If the moon is directly between the sun and the Earth, then it does not reflect anything and cannot be seen. This is a new moon. The moon does not have an atmosphere to help maintain a more or less constant temperature on it. When one half of it is illuminated by the sun for 2 weeks, the surface there heats up to more than 100 degrees Celsius. Then a moonlit night sets in. When the light does not fall on some part of the moon at all, then the temperature there drops to minus 200 degrees Celsius. It will seem to an observer from Earth that it is the moon that illuminates the Earth at night, but the opposite is also true. When the sun does not hit the surface of the moon, the light reflected from the Earth illuminates it in the same way. There is a famous expression, the dark side of the moon. It does not mean at all that one half of the satellite cannot reflect light. The reason is that the moon also rotates on its axis, so it always faces the Earth with only one side of it. People wondered for a long time what was on the other side of the moon, but when space flights were developed, they managed to photograph an image of the moon, forcing them to forget about everything that is known about the space object to science. Thanks for watching.